Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Amiibo without an Amiibo. You can unlock in-game content and bonuses by simulating the physical toys using digital data. This process involves obtaining specific data files and then employing either software on a compatible device or dedicated hardware to mimic the Amiibo's NFC signal. It's a fantastic way to access all the benefits without needing to collect every single figure. We will guide you through each step to get started. The first step is to acquire the digital data that represents an Amiibo. These files, often referred to as dumps, contain the unique information an Amiibo transmits. You can find these readily available in various online communities and forums dedicated to Amiibo emulation. Always ensure the files are in a common format, such as a .bin or .json file, to guarantee compatibility with your chosen emulation method. There are two primary ways to emulate Amiibo functionality. One common method involves using an NFC-enabled smartphone with a specialized application. This app allows your phone to act as a virtual Amiibo. Alternatively, you can use dedicated hardware devices, such as an N2 Elite, which can store dozens of Amiibo data files and mimic their signals. Some users even create their own NFC tags with writers. Once you have your Amiibo data loaded onto your chosen emulation device, the final step is activation. Simply bring your smartphone or dedicated hardware device close to your console's NFC touchpoint, exactly as you would with a physical Amiibo figure. Your console should then recognize the emulated Amiibo, granting you access to its unique in-game rewards and features. Enjoy your expanded gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.